Okay, so now we will look at rate limiting. And for rate limiting, we have challenge number 6, which says perform a layer 7 DOS attack using contact mechanism feature. So let's first understand what exactly is this rate limiting and what exactly is this layer 7 DOS. Okay, so I will have to go to rate limiting. Yeah. So rate limiting is one of the techniques used in computer system to control the rate at which requests or actions are allowed. It is often implemented to prevent abuse, protect resources, and maintain system stability. Rate limiting can be applied in various contexts such as API rate limiting, login attempts, or even in protecting against DOS attack. Okay, so rate limiting is one of the security feature. Security feature as in, if suppose a user is performing a brute force attack, which we have already performed while resetting the user's password, correct? So rate limiting is one of the security implementation which helps the application to mitigate or to restrict brute force attack. Okay, so over here what we have to do, we have to perform layer 7 DOS attack. So basically rate limiting not only remediates the brute force attack, but it also mitigates the DOS attack. Okay, so now since the application is by default vulnerable, we will be able to perform the brute force attack or DOS attack, which will further on leads us to bypass the rate limiting mechanism. This might be the case, but let's look at what exactly the scenario is with us. So what is layer 7 DOS? Layer 7 DOS basically referred to as an application layer DOS attack as per the what you say OSI model, where the malicious user aims to overwhelm the application server by sending a large amount of HTTP requests, multiple at a single time, so that the user or malicious attacker can consume the application resources, or the malicious users or a legitimate user can also try to perform this layer and DOS attack just to crash the application. This might be the case, as well as this has also been the case. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to perform the layer 7 DOS attack using contact mechanism feature. That means we have to navigate to our applications dashboard page, and over here we will get the contact mechanism page. Correct. Let's send a service request. So I'm gonna select this. My problem description is test, and I'm gonna send the service request. And I will send this request to repeater. And if I simply click on send button, I will see that my service has been successfully sent to the application. But while analyzing the post JSON body of HTTP request, I do get to see certain set of important parameters such as repeat request is failed and number of requests. What if I change this repeat request is if failed parameter to true, and if I increase the number of repeats, I mean number of requests to suppose 10,000, will I be able to overwhelm the server? Yes, I was able to perform the layers and attack. So this is how we complete this challenge number 6.